We're going to Bangkok! It's good. Pero sila flowing so kayo! I'm finally trying out the live stream. Oh my God, nagkaan na po ito. Kuya, umgiragod kamay ya. Kuya, kung singon English, please English only. Ay nako. We're going to Bangkok! Woohoo! Okay, hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! This is it guys, I'm gonna vlog my Bangkok trip. Final na. Kaya wala na ako na-vlog amo ang SG trip. So I'll try my best to vlog our whole Bangkok trip.
Okay.
So karon guys, nami in front sa amo ang gate. And it's currently 11:56 now, so currently na ganyan now pa. It's currently 11:56 and mga tao-tao na lang yung musulod. And I'm so hungry kaya wala pa may breakfast at all. Ihawa mi sa hotel o 10:30 and then naabot mi diri sa Changi 11 AM. And grabe guys, grabe wala joy hassle diri. Oh my God. No, you know, murag tanan kay convenient, right? Third world country can relate. Pwede ba naingon sa vlog? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited guys. Actually, mas gina-look forward na ako ang trip na mo sa Bangkok kaysa sa Singapore. Pero wala ko na-expect na nag-enjoy po tayo sa Singapore. So, I'm with my love. It's our first time to travel together outside the country, but it is not his first time to travel outside the country. It's only me, but it's our first time together. Kiss me. Ah! Okay, I'll see you guys later. Waiting for our Bolt ride. Hello everyone! So right now we're here at Job Fair. Sorry guys, wala na ako naka-update pag abot na mo sa hotel sa kanina kay Kapoy. Pag abot na mo is mga 5 PM na, tapos nag-rest lang mi kadali and then diretso na mi dire kay gutom na guys and dire na mi mag-dinner. So nagapangita mig food right now and medyo overwhelming yun ang place kay daghan kayong choices, I swear. So ako ang target dire actually is katong jumping shrimp kay I swear dugay na kayo to na gina-look forward. Like isa gyud siya sa akong pinaka gina-look forward this trip. So I hope dili ko ma-disappoint. Target lock yun tonight is jumping shrimp and then yung live pusit. Let's just see what will happen next. So mag-continue na mi og pangitag pagkaon guys. Actually daghan yung kayo mapilian. Thank you. Guys, finally a dream come true. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, ambak-ambak pa siya. Ready. Lagi din siya cilantro.
Huh?
Lagi cilantro.
I told you.
Yeah. Round 2. Actually, lami siya. Kaso, na siya cilantro and I don't like cilantro. Pero sige lang. Let's do it because I look forward for this. Please, don't disappoint me. Oh my God. Si Kuya nagkatawa. Ano siya? Uwihanin niya. Uy.
Go, Nick.
Okay. Go. Labi na yung nangihi. 1, 2, 3, go. It's good. Pero sila mo iso kaayo. So spicy. Kinan ako siya nga na too spicy. But it's still too spicy. This is fine, by the way. Go. Yum? Describe.
Cilantro.
Halang no? So, ang next target is katong live squid. And then, palitpad ko aning tanghulo because I never tried tanghulo before. So, this will be my first time. This one is the big one. How much is this? 100? Okay, I'll get one. This one. Okay. My first tanghulo ever! Thank you! 1, 2, 3. Yeah, some more.
Ay, sayang wala kayo may... Sheesh!
Yum!
Sheesh!
So good! Iyang lasa, dili putsu-putsu. So this one is jellyfish, guys. And maybe got the octopus one. Kaya mag-share lang ni, tilaw-tilaw lang ni. Octopus.
May patikulon.
Guys, I'm finally trying out the live squid. It's alive! How much? 170 baht on a delivery. I got one. 150. 150. Okay. 130. Okay. Guys, gihangyo ko yung 120 from 180. Friendship na may ate. Ate, i-attach na tayo. Okay, the head first. Ay! Oh my God. Okay, mama. Calm down. Oh my God, it's so big. There's no smaller one. Labi, nagtayo na siya. Oh my God. Di, hindi ko kaya.
Ano yung atrasan?
Hindi ko kaya. Oh my God. Ano mo siya, oh?
Diretso lang, bud. Saka siya.
Okay. One. Mama. One. Lagay ko audience, guys. Na-pressure na ko. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Ipagkita akong audience niya.
Hey guys.
Di, bayad sa di. Ay, wapa, di ko kabayad, guys. O, di, nagkakita na ako niya. So, finally tried it, guys. And I finally conquered it. Ako maingon lang kay buy it for experience. Yung texture mo, na siyang proben, guys. Tapos, na siya pagkalangsang aftertaste. Let's move on to the next food. Can't wait to try. Mga ilang guro kong asin, guys. Kaya malasin ba yung kaayaw ko? If you don't know, now you know. Medyo struggle ang language barrier kay na yung big salt, guys. Thank you. Kaya first hatag sa ako agad na akong salt gani ang ihatag. Wala, napakagpusit sa kong sa... Okay, cheers. Woo! Pag-isigo. It's good! Pero kasi after this, dagat. Malamang. Good?
Look.
Pork na chicken.
No.
Okay, one week.
Oh my God, daghan na po. Uy, kuya, okay ra gud gamay ya. La, puno uy.
Ganahan mga.
Ganahan ko ani. Nagiging ani sa 2 or sa pulong-mulong. So, sili ka on ani. So, yun ani new for me. Let's go. Easy basic.
Lord.
Oh my God. Wonderful. Oh, easy. Oh, ilagay ka ayo. Okay, 1, 2. Ano kayo mo nag-ulod? If kayo siya nawong. And guys, fun fact, I hate ulod. Like, super duper. Pero mga kita lang kung ulod sa kung layo, no? Mag-isip na. 1, 2, 3. Kasama ni. Yeah, lami. Ay?
10 pa.
So soft. Mumukay siya.
Check the frame mo, beef pork.
Beef. Hi everyone, good morning. So today is our day 2 in Bangkok and we are now going to Ancient City. That's our itinerary for today. So right now, nagahulat na lang sa amo ang Bolt na ride going to basta going to the station. Okay, so naana mo ang Bolt guys. Ang akong button right now is wala pa lang ko nahuman ng ako ang tape on nails kay wala ko nagpa-nails because bawal siya sa duty. We made it to Ratchathani Station. I hope I pronounced that right. And we're going to Keha Station for Ancient City. So next-side ko sa Ancient City guys, kaya akong ginalook forward dito kay Elephant. And as much as gusto dyan na ko muadto sa kanang sanctuary dyan sa Elephant, kaso wala na dyan may time na muadto pa og Chiang Mai or wherever na kanang naay nice na sanctuary sa Elephant. So this is my look. I am wearing sani contact lenses na walay grado with the Cloud Chase. These nails are from it's cute. Look. Since 1 week lang man mi diri, so clip-on nails na sa ako. More than niya akong ginabuhat every time. And if you want this one, I'll link it in my description box. Kami na ang tao sa hello everyone! So, we are now here at the Ancient City. And nakuha na po na mo ang ticket. And we also got our golf cart for ourselves. Amo ang first agenda is magkaon sa because we also avail the buffet kay para dili lang po mi mag-lunch. So tama-tama guys, gutom na mi. So we got our map here, nagdako kaayo siya guys. So ang amo ang role today is syempre ako ang navigator, always the passenger princess. We're almost done eating guys. After ani kay mag-tour na gyud mi like for real.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
What's this? Or siya ano, lumot. Lumot na lang to.
Okay, like.
It's good. Okay. Guys, kapila na nahitabo and just now nahitabo na po siya. Istorya na po nag-Chinese guys, kaya tungod ani niya. O niya ako si ingon English, please English only. Ay nako, mag-shades ka na lang always.
Ano naman?
Pero di mo klaro rin mong mata. sa me for a while. Nangihi si JP. And so far, dako jud kaayo ang place. So we rented this golf cart and worth it siya as in. Kay mas ra ninyo malibot ang lugar. Kay dili gud ninyo siya makaya og libot guys in a whole day if magbaktas ra mo. Guys, I'm in front of an elephant right now. So, nag-avail ni og ka ng food. Pero naluoy, dyan kumugtanaw sa iyo. Kaya nakatali ka. Wait lang, pakita lang ko. Hello! Ang so kawawa. Haggard is an understatement. Oh my god, kanay sa lighting. Anyways guys, naan na lang may mga 45 minutes left na mag-roam around. Kay naka 4 hours na mi guys and 400 baht na to. Plus 350 ka ganina. So, tako ng kaayo. Kailangan na mo ibalik ang golf cart. So, among buhaton is, tuyo ko na lang na mo sila tanan. Dili na mi manaog. So, tanaw na lang na mo sila. Another si JP. Extra siya guys kay ang uban. Walay English na translation. So, hindi niyo mabasa. Yeah, gina-construct na siya. Bagay na. This temple is so pretty.
Kita sa unahan.
Hindi mga Tagalog justice sa camera guys. Nakapaayo siya. Sad lang guys kayo na last na mo siya ug adto and nagipit na mo sa time. Kaya hindi gusto na maabot na 500 baht ang bayaran. Bye! We're entering the exit now. So I'll see you guys later. Pakita mo sa akin. Let's eat! So we're at Siam Paragon right now, having our dinner, and this is what we got. So we got pad thai, tom yum na seafood, and then JB got, what did you get, Bebe?
Roast duck, crab fried rice.
Roast duck, and then a crab rice. Naupaw na akong ni Este. It's okay. Say hi, ate. Ano yung name, te?
Wen.
Wen. Si ate Wen. Thank you, te. Kuan lang, frustrated vlogger lang. Bisaya si ate. O yan, itabangan mi niya sa among tour today. Hello everyone. So, update lang guys na pick up namin sa among ball ride. Medyo nadugayan ni pick up ni among call. So nagchika-chika na lang po mi dito kay ang receptionist sa hotel na among nabook guys kay Bisaya siya. And mo tumurag nalingaw na po mi og chika-chika. it's our 3rd day in Bangkok, our last full day as well. And today is August 17 and we're going home tomorrow. So right now, nagahulat na lang sa train.
Sige, go lang. 1.0 na po.
Picture lang. Dili lang takutog guys, kay bawal ang phone dira mismo. So we're done taking our photos one by one and together. So karon, usaka lang mi diri. And then go na mi after. Guys, we're 370 meters above sea level right now. Halatang gutom guys. haven't updated you guys since katong nagland na midiri and nag-depart na sa Bangkok. Really got us a burger. So got the good. Bye-bye! Boarding na si JB guys and unfortunately hindi pitapad this guy. Hello everyone, so we just landed Davao International Airport and yeah, finally, oh my god. And I think before I end this vlog, I want to thank my parents for sponsoring this trip, and of course big shout out to my sisters Maki and Francis. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And of course thank you to our so supportive family for supporting us, for being so supportive. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I say thank you dude, thank you. And if you're still watching at this point, nga mo naga-watch pa at this point. So we're finally going home after a ambot na day. And duty namin tomorrow. Yes, back to duty na, back to reality. And I hope I'll see you again so soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. I can't believe I'm saying that again. Thank you guys. Bye! First time mo sa akong vlog. Bye-bye!